Passwords are the only thing standing between your entire life and a stranger in a hoodie. And somehow, we all just agreed the solution is typing password 123 and calling it a day. So what is actually happening when you log in? Well, it's actually quite simple. No, it's not. That was a lie. This stuff is ridiculous. Let's start dumb. Say you have a diary and a lock. The lock only opens for one specific shaped key. Your password is that key, except instead of a physical shape, it's a string of letters your computer has to match exactly. Simple. Except your computer doesn't actually store your password. If it did, one hacked database and every password on Earth is just sitting there in plain text like a grocery list. So instead, step 1, hashing. When you make a password, your computer runs it through a hashing algorithm, which is basically a fancy one-way blender. Put password 123 in, get out something like A94F2C8E. You can't reverse a smoothie back into a banana, and you can't reverse a hash back into your password. Every time you log in, the site just hashes what you typed and checks if the smoothies match. Neither side ever needs your actual password again. Step 2, salting. Here's the problem. 1 million people also typed password 123, which means 1 million accounts have the exact same smoothie. So sites add a random ingredient called a salt, unique to you, before hashing. Now, your smoothie is one of one, even if your password wasn't. Step 3, the actual attack. Say someone steals the hash database. They can't reverse it, but they can guess. They take common passwords, hash them the same way, and see if anything matches. This is why password 123 dies in milliseconds, while XK9 QP2VT &MZ might survive until the heat death of the universe. Step 4, two-factor authentication. Think of it as the bouncer standing behind the lock. Even with the right key, you now also need a temporary code sent to your phone, because the code expires in about 30 seconds. It's the same purple-green trick your Bluetooth earbuds use, just for security instead of Shakira. So yes, passwords protect you, but only if you're not the weak link. Reused passwords, no 2FA. And password 123 isn't a lock, it's a welcome mat. Go outsmart the smoothie. That's gonna cost you 1 subscribe, and I'm just gonna flip this bad boy around. Tips in the form of likes are appreciated.